Hey, welcome back to the SME. I guess it's about time for me to get started on the project since everybody else is posting videos of their process. So this is the 1940 Ford for the Unified YouTuber Scale Model Group build. So I have a vision of a 90 street rod, and I'm gonna paint it in a House of Color paint job and do a few more other things. Let me show you what I've started so far and my plans for it. Okay, so here's my vision. I'm gonna do like an airbag suspension. Basically, all I've done right now is I've poster tacked the wheels to the top of the wheel wells. But basically, that's the stance I'm looking for, is to just have it drag the ground. I went ahead and I marked all the trim that I want to get rid of in black marker. So I'll get sanding on that pretty soon. Basically, it's just the whole side and the top of the hood as well. The windshield wipers are going to go away. For motivation, this 96 Corvette was nice enough to donate its small block for it. So I pre-assembled all this in white glue. These bucket seats were donated from Bryan's project. These were these were parts in his box that he said he wasn't going to use. I grabbed the steering wheel and the ratchet shifter from my parts box. Not sure what kit they came out of, but they're definitely AMT parts. But just nice and plain. I think I'm gonna go with some sort of a tan color for all of this. It's gonna be monochrome. All this stuff on the dash, that's all gonna go away, except for just the gauge bezel area. I do have the Model Car Garage 40 Ford detail upset. This is for the monogram kit, but I am going to use the front grille and this piece here for the dashboard and a few other little bits and bobs, but not much of it. I also ordered the Lazy Modeler flame mask set. This is pretty neat. I don't know if you guys ever got to see this. Basically, it's a adhesive, and that's for the hood and for each side. So thinking a flame job. I've never done a flame job before, so I think I'm gonna give it a shot. The chassis, instead of reinventing the wheel, basically I'm just gonna chop off the bumper guards and fill the holes in the back of the body where those go. I know, this suspension would never handle what this engine would do, but I just don't feel like scratch building a whole chassis for this car. This really just needs to be a fast project. The front end, I'm gonna lower this quite a bit. I think if I can take material out of here or even get rid of all of that, this will sit much lower. But in order to get it down to that low, I'm gonna have to do some serious surgery. Another thing I found in the parts box was these slatted rotors from the Revell Dodge Challenger kit. I think these will look real nice behind those Pegasus wheels. Not too crazy, but I had them and I didn't have to buy anything, so I'm gonna use them. One other issue that I'm running into is exhaust. I don't know that I'm going to do an exhaust at all, to be honest with you. This small block fits in here with a little cut here in the frame rail. This small block will fit to clear the oil pan. So I'm gonna have to hack that up just a little bit. The exhaust manifolds are here on the small block, but getting exhaust from there to there, that might be a little bit of a challenge. I would use the Corvette one, but unfortunately, it's too short. because the Corvette is a smaller car than this 40 Ford. It would put the exhaust right at the rear wheels, which doesn't really make any sense for this car. We'll see. We'll see what I end up with. And there you have it. That's what I'm going to be doing to this 40 Ford. I have a lot of sanding to do, a lot of cutting, a lot of filling, and a lot of putty work. So I'll get busy with it, and I'll show you guys some more progress later on. See you next time. Bye.